All right, let's take a look at this integral, 10 to the t. It would be great if it was e to the t, but this is 10 to the t. However, it doesn't matter because we have a formula. The integral antiderivative of a to the t in general, or a to the x, whatever, is a to the t itself divided by ln a. You remember the antiderivative of e to the x is just e to the x plus c, right? This is the Feng function. The derivative is itself. The antiderivative is also itself plus c. So this is just this guy divided by ln a plus c. So how do we do that? Well, with this formula in mind, this is as easy as pie. We have this equals, by the evaluation theorem, it should be equal to the antiderivative evaluated from 1 to 2, right? Evaluated on the two bounds by the evaluation theorem. We need to put the antiderivative of 10 to the t here. That's the evaluation theorem. Does that make sense? So what should I write here inside the brackets? We have this formula. So we should write, yeah, very good. That's it. Yeah, a is 10, right? So 10 to the x or 10 to the t, doesn't matter. Divided by ln. Yeah, good, 10. Notice this is not t here. ln 10, this is a constant. Just by replacing a with t, or with 10 from the formula. Yeah, that's it. So the answer is just 10 to the 2 over ln 10 minus 10 to the 1 over ln 10. That is 100 minus 10. That is 90 over ln 10. That's it. Couldn't be. The answers just pop out like a dream when you use these formulas. Once you have the formulas, everything works like a dream, like a chart. And also the derivative of a to the x is just a to the x times ln a. So the antiderivative of a to the x is just a to the x itself divided by ln a. So that's a pair. This is the most general formula. This includes the e to the x, the Feng function case, by letting a be e, right? If we let a be e, the derivative of e to the x should be by this formula, e to the x ln e. What is ln e? 1, right? So the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. So that's the most general form of Feng functions. So when you write a love letter or when you express your feelings towards somebody, you can just say something like, my love for you is as tenacious as c times e to the x. No matter how the world may differentiate us, my heart will never change. And it's always for you. And then they'll immediately agree because they know you're very good at calculus.